Hi everybody, it's Russell Markham here from VectorVest. How do I find those stocks performing really well over the last 30 days? And these don't just simply have to be sort of hot street type stocks with no fundamentals behind them. What if we go and find some really good quality stocks that are moving up nicely over the last 30 days? And these could be stocks that you could consider for your portfolio. Now, I'm not saying any of these stocks as of time of recording here are suitable for you. I'll put on the disclaimer statement shortly, but this is a technique you may very well want to do in VectorVest each day. So with that said, let's get into the disclaimer statement there. Let's move myself out the way. Please note our financial service license there. In addition, please note general advice only. I cannot give you any personal advice. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. Let's jump into VectorVest. So in VectorVest here, we've got this wonderful tool here called UniSearch. And UniSearch, exactly as the name implies, it will search for certain parameters for you. And it's just simply clicking and pointing and pushing a few keys on your keyboard to get the results that you want. So I'm going to show you a very simple technique. I'm going to go and find shares. Let's do this. So I'll come in here, go stocks, and I'll say price volume greater than or equal to, or should I say price split adjusted, not volume, price split adjusted, greater than or equal to custom value 2. Okay, so we're not going to find any penny stocks here. We're going to make sure there are at least $2 or higher. And then I'm going to come in here and go, okay, not only do those stocks have to be $2 or higher, but I'll go in again and I'll say price split adjusted. And this time around, I'm going to click on Delta. This looks for a change. And I'll say over the last, let's say 30 days, these stocks have increased by, let's say, 20 or 25% or more. How about that? 20% or more. All right, so the last 30 days, stocks over $2 that have increased by 20% or more. So we're not going to find any penny stocks, $2 or higher, where the price has increased by at least 20% or more. Straight away, let's just look at the first one here, Catalyst Metals. Graph this given stock. And what I'll do here in VectorVest, we've got this great indicator here called EPS. Don't worry about all these other ones here. I'll just make it nice and simple to begin with, and we'll just simply keep on this indicator here being EPS, earnings per share. Don't worry about all the others. So I've just simplified it. You can, modify and change your layouts with VectorVest to make it as simple as possible. All I want you to do is just concentrate on this one here. Let's make it jump out just a tad more. All right, so there we are. Earnings and price. As earnings go up, higher earnings, this is a 12-month leading forecast on earnings, up goes the price. So not only have you identified with the power of VectorVest identifying a stock here that's gone up 20% over the last 30 days, but the earnings are sustainable. In other words, the earnings are currently driving this uplift. It's not as if I'm picking on a penny speculative stock with not a great deal of fundamentals behind it. Too many investors, let's bring myself across, too many investors make the mistake of seeing a share where it's surging up in price, and it's the old saying FOMO, fear of missing out. They jump on board, oh, I don't want to miss out. No sooner have they bought it, boom, it drops 10, 15, 20%. They're left scratching their head going, what happened? Chances are you were buying into a company that rocketed up on speculation, didn't have any fundamentals behind it, and when the speculation fever died down, so to speak, down went the share price. Here, what we're doing is we're picking on a company that has not only gone up in price, but the earnings are driving it. Okay, so once you start putting the two together, you match the fundamentals along with the uplift in the price, you're putting yourself in a much better position to benefit in the market. So, this is just the starting point from which I could start screening. There's many more, and then you can build upon it as you see fit. That's the power of VectorVest. We did that just with a few clicks of the mouse. If you like what you see, take out a trial to VectorVest, trial us out. Go along to our webpage, www.vectorvest.com.au, and there's a link on the homepage there on our webpage to trial out a 30-day trial to VectorVest. Until next time, I hope you enjoyed it. Bye for now.